From a simple sheet of plastic and a box of parts, a high-speed machine will be born. Let's begin. Every great build starts with a precise plan. This will be the backbone of our car. Patience and a steady hand are key, one clean cut at a time. And there we have it, the perfect foundation for our chassis. Now we mark the points for our front and rear axles. Alignment is crucial. Drilling the holes, this ensures our wheels will spin smoothly and straight. Next, the side walls, which will protect our electronics and add strength. Using strong adhesive, we bring the frame together piece by piece. For the rear axle, we need a strong metal rod. This will handle the motor's power. Securing the rear wheels. They need to be tight and perfectly aligned. And now we mount the rear axle onto our frame. It fits perfectly. Our rolling chassis is ready. Now let's give it some power. This is the heart of our machine, a high-torque DC motor for incredible speed. We need to build a custom mount to hold the motor securely in place. Mounting the engine, it's positioned to drive the rear axle directly. A small gear on the motor shaft. Cubby will connect to a larger gear on the axle. This creates torque. A perfect mesh. This is our drivetrain. Now for the most complex part, the steering. These knuckles will allow the wheels to turn. Assembling the front wheel hubs, they need to pivot freely. Mounting the front assembly. Our car can now roll, but it can't steer yet. This little servo motor is the brain behind the turn. It's precise and powerful. We'll place the servo right at the front in the center. Securing the steering servo, it needs to be rock solid. Now we craft the steering linkages. These rods will connect the servo to the wheels. One end connects to the servo arm, and the other connects to the wheel knuckle. A quick manual test, and we have steering. Look at that movement. The mechanics are complete. A rolling chassis with power and steering. The body's ready, a machine with muscle but no soul. That's all for this video. Join me in part 2, where we wire it up, give it a brain, and finally unleash this